have the Sony a7R4 camera, and it's a beast of a camera. I'm going to do a detailed video review. We are starting right now. I have a very important tip for you that will help you get even better results from your R4. So watch the video right till the end. R in the a7R4 stands for resolution, and obviously with 61 megapixel, the results are absolutely spellbinding. Whether you are a landscape photographer, whether you shoot weddings, you shoot products, the 61 megapixel is going to give you amazing results. Sony is known for its superior video quality, and you can shoot 4K video with this camera and shoot full HD with 120 FPS, giving your footage a cinematic look. When it comes to focusing, Sony simply nails it. This camera comes with 576 plus 425 autofocus points, and it also has 4D focusing. Pixel shift technology in the Sony shoots 4 images at once, which means the pixel shifts in each shot, giving you an even more detailed image even if you zoom at full 100%. The real-time eye autofocus makes life so easy for me as a photographer and also as a filmmaker, because I do not need to stress about losing focus as I'm filming. The real-time tracking makes life so much easier. Once you have locked the focus on the subject, the camera will not let go of easily. One of the best features that I like in this camera, it has an in-body 5-axis stabilization, which means it is going to take care of all those vibrations that cause blurriness in your image, just in case you get a shake. Moreover, in the low light condition, you can reduce the shutter speed and still get really sharp images. The Sony a7R4 has one beautiful feature, and it's the highlight that it can connect to your PC or your laptop wirelessly with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, which means that you are now free of any cables. And this feature is going to be very important for fashion photographers, for wedding photographers, and also product photographers. One significant improvement that I've seen in this camera is that the flaps on the side are nice and firm, unlike in the earlier models which had wobbly flaps. The camera comes with the EVF, which is the electronic viewfinder, and it has 5.76 million dots UXGA OLED True Finder. One very important feature that Sony has really worked upon is the focus box. Earlier, when you would go and look for a focus box in the screen, it would appear in a grey color. Now you can go to the menu and change it to white or red, whichever color you prefer. However, I like the red color more contrasty. Now, talking about the battery capacity, in one single charge you can shoot up to 670 images using the LCD display and 540 images using the EVF, which is the electronic viewfinder. When you're shooting 4K video, you can shoot up to 90 minutes in one single charge of a battery, and that is phenomenal. Now, call it the burst mode or a beast mode for all those action enthusiasts into wedding or sport, etc. You can now capture 10 frames per second on this camera in the burst mode. Moreover, since this has a high buffering speed, you can capture up to 70 images in one go. With 15 stop dynamic range, this camera is a treat for the landscape photographer. Imagine the kind of range and detail that you're going to get in your photograph. The camera comprises a 1.44 million dots 3-inch LCD display, which is not quite vlogging friendly because the screen does not articulate the way you want it for vlogging. Talking about the memory card slot, Sony has now rearranged the slots. Earlier the slot number 2 was above and the 1 was down. Now they have put the slot number 1 on top and the slot number 2 down. Both the memory card slots are now UHS-2, which is ultra high speed, which means you're not going to run out of space if you're taking photos or even shooting videos. Imagine running out of power when you're shooting outdoors. no worry, now you can charge your camera using a power bank, which is so convenient. You can either use the regular USB port or also the C-type charging for charging your camera faster. If you're a wildlife photographer or a street photographer, the silent shooting mode is definitely going to be very helpful for you. One very important thing and a very robust thing that I really like about the camera is the grip. It is strong, it is sturdy, it really makes you feel that the camera is well secured in your hand. So it is now time for that one important tip. Though all Sony lenses are very superior in quality, however, if you use the G Master lens with the Sony a7R4, you're definitely going to get high quality images and even better depth of field. To sum up the video, so many power pack features in a camera that weighs only 650 grams. With the 61 megapixel, you're definitely going to get very superior images. However, it is not good for vlogging, but that's fine. With real-time eye autofocus, even while filming, it is an apt camera for me as a filmmaker. If you have the budget, go for it.